Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Nation, your ultimate hub for the toughest trucks, wildest builds, and machines that refuse to quit. If you live for heavy equipment vibes on four wheels, buckle up because today we're going full throttle on the 2026-2027 Caterpillar IronBeast 4x4. This thing isn't just another lifted pickup, it's Caterpillar bringing their legendary industrial DNA straight into the full-size truck game. And man, does it look ready to dominate everything. Check out this bright, cat yellow beast sitting right here. From the front, that massive honeycomb grille with the bold cat logo stares you down like it's about to move mountains. The aggressive LED headlights and rugged bumper with heavy-duty tow hooks scream pure construction site attitude. Those huge fender flares cover massive black alloy wheels wrapped in aggressive all-terrain tires, giving it serious lift and that planted, unstoppable stance. Walk around to the side and you see Caterpillar IronBeast 4x4 proudly displayed. This truck owns its heritage. The boxy, muscular body lines, reinforced rock rails, and that long bed make it look like it could haul an excavator bucket if you asked it to. Flip to the rear and the intimidation factor stays high. Dual exhaust tips poking out, full-width taillights, and that stamped IronBeast 4x4 on the tailgate. This isn't some street queen. It's built for real work and real adventure. Ground clearance looks sky-high, approach and departure. Angles are clearly trail-ready, and the whole package sits on what appears to be a reinforced heavy-duty chassis. Whether you're towing trailers on the job, crawling over rocks on the weekend, or just turning heads at the truck meet, the IronBeast was made for it. Now let's climb inside because the cabin is where this truck really surprises. Slide into these black and yellow quilted seats with the cat logos embroidered. They look tough enough for muddy boots but comfortable enough for long hauls. The steering wheel rocks that big cat emblem, and the whole dash mixes carbon fiber trim with rugged switches and massive digital displays. That giant touchscreen in the center is loaded with off-road pages, 360-degree cameras, and probably integration for Caterpillar's fleet tech. Climate controls, massive center console, and premium but purpose-built materials everywhere. It feels like sitting in a high-end excavator cab that decided to go on a road trip. Power-wise, rumors and concept specs point to a serious Caterpillar-derived turbo diesel or hybrid powertrain pumping out serious horsepower. We're talking well over 700 horses and torque figures that'll pin you back in the seat. Paired with a heavy-duty transmission and true 4x4 with locking diffs, this thing should crawl, tow, and haul like no regular pickup can. Expect payload and towing numbers in the serious work truck territory, easily 20,000 plus pounds when equipped. Right, the IronBeast perfectly blends Caterpillar's reputation for bulletproof reliability with modern truck styling and tech. That signature yellow paint pops against the black accents, making it one of the most distinctive pickups you'll see on the road or trail in 2026-2027. Price? We're probably looking at a premium tag starting north of $90,000 depending on configuration. But for this level of capability and presence, it might be worth every penny to the right buyer. What do you think, gearheads? Would you daily drive this cat yellow monster, or keep it strictly for weekend adventures? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you loving the industrial styling, the interior luxury meets rugged vibe, or the sheer presence? Which color would you want yours in? Thanks so much for watching this deep dive on the 2026-2027 Caterpillar IronBeast 4x4 here on Gearhead Nation. If you're hyped about this beast or any other wild trucks, smash that like button, share the video with your crew, and subscribe with the bell on so you never miss our next episode. We've got more insane concepts, real-world reviews, and build guides coming your way fast. Keep those engines roaring, stay safe out on the trails, and we'll catch you in the next one. This is Gearhead Nation, signing off.